Hold him, Mom.
You gonna hold him?
Yeah. Now watch me pick. I have him now. Can I hold him now? Can I hold him? Yeah. I had a great idea, but then what did you do with that? Here's my idea. You take that. You can use this. You can use that. No, I'm just gonna use my piece of bunny forever cardboard. Okay. Yeah. See? Now, you got your piece of bunny forever cardboard all wet. Take it out of the water. And lean it up somewhere. And you got a water slide. See what it can do? Wait, come on back in. Hey, look at that! It's a little moss house, see? And then look, people can sleep in it.
Cute.
I'm warm in my swimming suit. Let's start the fire. Good idea.
This one's warm in his swimming suit.
Where's the house pool? It was? I didn't know that.
What's going on over here?
I don't know. How did you get down?
Whoa,
You're strapped.
you're high up.
Are you trapped in there forever? Yeah. Oh no. All right, bye.
Leave.
I can't get him down. He's like strapped in forever. Bye.
Come get him.
You're staying up there forever.
Okay, Moses, to get you. I guess you have to swim him after all. Come on. Ah, no. All right, ready? Let go. Come quick. Wait.
There's a raised bed up here.
Buttercup.
So this used to be a garden area, but it didn't get as much attention because it's farther from the house. But I was thinking of putting some of the walking onions up in this bed and some more perennials up here that don't need as much water and daily care as the lower garden, as the plants
Are
down
we
here.
allowed to eat these buttercups?
No.
Okay.
The blackberries are very heavily fruited. You can see all these little beginnings of the fruit through here. So we've got quite a few plants this year that are gonna fruit up here. And the apple tree. Oh, it smells so good.
Apple tree blossoms. They're everywhere. Mama,
Fallen.
the apple trees. Look on the ground. The apple tree blossoms are everywhere. So pretty. I like the apple.
Looks like it might. So we're gonna do a quick walkthrough of the garden so far. It's almost Memorial Day here in Maine, so we're hoping to have most of our main plants in by just within a couple days.
Memorial Day?
Yep, and yeah, so it's not totally done, but we'll show you what we've got so far. So here's a few seedlings and some walking onions we need to plant still. And in here we've got tomatoes along the back and banana peppers in the front row here. So the tomatoes will be tied to the cattle panels as they get bigger. And other side we also, we have watermelon, mini watermelon plants in the back, banana peppers, and I think bell peppers in the front along here. And we've got a few cucumber plants over here to I think we'll have a couple of them climb the cattle panels and a couple of them just spread out on the ground. We've still got some more seedlings to deal with in here. We have some calendula planted here and in here. This little courtyard, we're gonna dig out the grass and do some more plantings over there. We have some lettuce planted here. And then this is the high bush blueberries with a few. We have Romanesco cauliflower and broccoli. And then we've got some purple beans planted around this teepee. Back here we've got some Queensland blue winter squash. Then we have some brassicas here, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and cauliflower. And then way back we have a row of sunflowers. And what else?
We're not done.
I guess we can show the elderberries. Elders. So these are the elders. And then we've got a row right here. You can see how little they are, but they have leaves. Those are planted in a row along here, so we can hopefully have a nice big hedge of elders. And then the echinacea there, and some sage up here. Over here we put this is going to be our strawberry bed. Right now we have some strawberries here, and then some over there that we started from seed this year. And this area still needs to be dug up.
Mom, you're not done.
So a few zinnias. This is a little area. Hadara put some strawberries and then planted some flower seeds here. And then this is where we planted our raspberries.
Whoa, an ant!
So hopefully those will
Look
spread.
at this giant ant! Mama!
Dun, dun, dun. Okay.
Ants
I don't think
Canada.
So this area here, we're going to be adding some more beds. It's a bit messy right now, and we have a good amount of space after we do that for the rest of what we're going to be growing. I hope we can do some big flower beds here. And yeah, that's about it for this week.
Mom, can you
What?
say